I'd like to introduce my movie star friend Adrian. To set the tone, we were walking yesterday and there was an uneven part of the sidewalk and I tripped and I fell on Adrian, and one of our buddies said, well, that would be sort of like having a small house fall on you. Anyway, picture me stumbling and I hit Adrian, and Adrian, down she went and hit the pavement hard, landing on the side of her head and breaking her elbow. So this is the scene, and I'll let Adrian talk about why we have gratitude, why we're grateful for today, but it was not a pleasant day yesterday.
So I'm just going to show you guys what I look like, and then I'm putting these glasses right back on. It's not pretty, but I am incredibly thankful for the helpful, compassionate people that picked me up off the sidewalk. I was too worried about Bob doing that because Bob was so shaken up. Then I'm also thankful for those amazing heroes who are on the front line at the hospital who were smiling at me. I know they were behind their masks and encouraging me, and we got the best help through the Canadian healthcare system. Is absolutely amazing.
Let me just say when we first arrived at the emergency hospital room, one of the first screening questions they had by the medical people, are you a victim of household violence
or domestic
violence?
And so I'm also thankful for that, because our healthcare system, and I hope many healthcare systems, are willing to ask those tough questions. I went in the wrong door, and when we first arrived, and there was a security guard there, and he came out to check out to see who Bob was. And luckily he said, Bob's a gentleman, and poor Bob was feeling terrible and flustered and just so upset by what had happened. And then, we got excellent care. So in the middle of the night, because I couldn't sleep, I got up to do a blog. So, because the greatest news is, although I'm in a sling, I can still type. It's a miracle, actually. So
this is an example of passion. When Adrian was going through all of her medical examinations, the one question Adrian kept asking the doctor and the technicians, will I be able to blog? Will I be able to type? Can I use my arm to type? And so passion drives so many things in this world.
So life can change in an instant, but out of those moments came a lot of things yesterday that we're incredibly grateful for. So we were hoping to do a blog showing you what our new drone is all about, but we had to improvise. So in an instant, that plan changed too. Please reach out to us anytime. We always love to hear from you. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye for now.
Bye for now.